Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MyChart app on Android step by step clearly. First, unlock your Android device. Locate and open the Google Play Store app. In the search bar, type MyChart and press enter. From the search results, find the MyChart app. Tap the install button to download the app. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Once installed, open the MyChart app by tapping on its icon. When the app launches, you'll see a welcome screen. Tap on Sign Up if you are a new user. If you already have an account, tap on Login. For new users, follow the prompts to create an account. Enter your personal information as requested. You may need to provide your email address and phone number. Create a secure password for your account. Once your account is set up, you'll receive a confirmation email. Check your email and follow the instructions to verify your account. Return to the MyChart app and select Login. Enter your username and password. After logging in, you may need to accept the terms and conditions. You're now ready to use the MyChart app for managing your health information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.